The other format of a question you might see in number 7 is sequence. Sequence means that there are key events from the story that you need to put in chronological order. Chronological order, this word right up here, means to put words in order of time. So first, second, third, fourth, and so forth, that they occurred. So each of these 5 events were things that happened in this article, and you can click on them and you can move them around into an order. So first I will need to read them and then remember what I read from the story to put them in the correct order. So the first one says, Neil built complex model airplanes. I know he did that when he was younger, so that might be first. Neil was the first person to set foot on the moon. Well, that was one of the last things he did. That's why he was famous. Neil enlisted in the Navy. Well, I know that was after he built model airplanes and before he set foot on the moon. So I'm going to move it up and put it in between these 2 events. The next one says Neil worked as a test pilot. Well, I know that was after model airplanes. I know it was before he was the first person to set foot on the moon, but I don't remember if that was before or after he was in the Navy. So I'm going to go back and look in the article for my answer. Here it says he enlisted in the Navy. So I'm going to look above, and it says he made model airplanes. He took flying lessons. He got his pilot lessons. And then he joined the Navy. So I'm going to go to the next page, and then it says here that he was working as a test pilot. So by going back into the story, I can see that him being a test pilot happened after he was in the Navy. So I'll move that in order. And then the last one said NASA selected Neil to be an astronaut. Well, I can see right here that it says NASA selected him to become an astronaut. And my logic says that that had to happen before he walked on the moon. So I'm going to move it up here. So I'll double check. Neil built complex model airplanes. He enlisted in the Navy. Neil worked as a test pilot. NASA selected him to become an astronaut. And then he was the first person that set foot on the moon. I believe that this is the correct chronological order or sequence of events that happened in this article.